hello. This is New Games with Becky and Dan. Becky here with a pack of this new game called Vanquishers. Ah, cool pack, cool pack, cool pack. I wanted to open a pack of it. My husband saw a couple of the cards and loved it, and I wanted to check it out. Alrighty. I don't know what the purpose of this game is. He said it's like Halo. Let's see. Shattering parallax. Okay. Quasar grip. Okay. Paradox grip. I guess these are equipment you can put on it. Energy weapon mod. Dark energy mod. Okay. Solar energy mod. Okay. Kinetic ammunition. Okay. Centennial rounds. Okay. Regressive glitch. Alright. VST initiative. Alright. Okay. Ooh, shiny. Hailstorm. Oh, that's pretty. And last but not least, oh, okay. Go, girl. Go, Clara. Ah, okay. Go, Clara. Okay, cool. All righty. Oh, it's actually some pretty cool cards. I like that. All right, we might have to check out some Vanquisher cards. He might check that out and see how to play that game. It looks interesting. If you would like to subscribe to our channel, we would appreciate it to see more pack openings and other new things that we'll be talking about in the future. Have a wonderful day.